Turbo Dog. This is better than Paw Patrol, eh, Jazz? Yeah. Glad you agree. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Get there on the double.
Ow!
So I'm about to change back into a human, I think. Or I'm going to the Twilight. Wait! Huh? Come to my springs. Ah! You have been transformed by the power of shadow. Come to me. Come to me! Oh, it was a trick. Beware a shadow being. It approaches. It wants to suck your blood. But I am a dog of many talents. Alright, changed his mind. Never mind. Oh! Crunch, crunch, crunch. You lose. Did I win? Cutscene. Oh wow! Look at the designs. It's almost like the Guardian imprints from BOTW. Oh, it turned into a crown. Did you see that? These are kings. King gods. Ow! Hot. Oh, my coffee coaster's stuck to my cup. Wow, they look so awesome, man. A glowing spirit deer or something. Oh, brave youth. Oh. The fat lady singing. I am one of the 4 light spirits that protect Hyrule at the behest of the gods. I'm Ordona. The black beast you slayed was a shadow being. It had come to seize the power of light I wield. This god has an accent. My brethren in Hyrule have already had their light stolen by these fell beasts. What is that? That's the monkey, right? The entire kingdom has been reduced to netherworld, ruled by cursed powers of darkness. Whoops. It's recorded. So let it be written. So let it be done. Oh, the blight will not stop with Hyrule before long. The entire world of light will fall into the hands of the king who rules the Twilight. Let me guess, Ganon? Ganondorf? Ganondorf? So this is like the reindeer one, eh? To save this land from the king of Twilight, the lost light must be recovered. The 3 light spirits who have lost their light must be revived. I don't know why I keep changing the voices. There is but one who can revive them and redeem the land. You still have not discovered your true power. Link, you are the light that must shine upon Hyrule once again. Those transformed by Twilight usually cannot recover their original forms. Unless if you were to return to Faron Woods, where you were first transformed. If you were to revive the light spirit. Alright. There, by the power of the light spirit, you may find the means to regain the other state of being. Revive me! Revive me! Oh, this looks amazing. Good, pretty good for a 20-year-old game, huh? 25-year-old? 20-year-old? Looks like I gotta save. Oh, I'm still a dog. Well, that was magical. Which way are we going? This way? It's magically delicious. So I'll let you play and then you can catch up to me. We'll just go back and forth. Midna. Oh, Midna. Where is she? There you are. Hey, look. Was that? Do you still want to go? Yeah. It's the mission. Mission comes first. So grabby. She's so clingy. This Midna. Farron Woods. Am I still the dog? Or the wolf? I want to do the shrine so bad. Not the shrine. What do you call it? The dungeon. These weapons. So these are the weapons you use in your world. Jeez, gonna give me a haircut. You only think this thing can slay creatures of twilight? Oh, he's getting mad, huh? Well, you won't use these things, but I'll hang on to them for you. Alright, promise is a promise. I trust you enough to help. In exchange for my help, though, I need you to gather some things for me. Look, I can't tell you all the details, but it'll be easy, trust me. She's such a little... but enough about that. Do you hear that noise? The lamentation of the spirits that had stolen the light? Where in the world could it be? Better get going, don't you think? Don't blame me if your world's fate... What? For your world's fate if you don't hurry up and find that light. It sounds so creepy. Snap to it. Hey. Farron Woods. I just want to see how long I've been playing. 2 hours. An hour and a half. An hour and a half. When I turn into Link, then you can play. Uh-oh. Am I gonna get attacked here? You need to be afraid. Oh, these are the ones you have to kill them all at the same time or something like that, or else they just keep respawning? Yeah. Oh, the pinned again. No need to take these one at a time. You can take them all at once. Good luck. How come I can't do the... Can't do it yet, right? Link is shaking. Come on, Midna. There we go. Yeah, I know that. That's what I was doing. There you are. I'm almost dead. Trying to put some stress on me. Oh. Oh yeah. How convenient. Alright, so I forgot what the plan was. Please be careful. These woods have changed. The dark clouds of dust cover this land. The drape of shadows is called